Okay, well, what are you doing?
I'm cooking soup.
You're cooking soup?
Okay.
Are you sure you're not cooking bread?
No, that's not soup.
It's not soup, silly. You're cooking bread. Show me how you stir it up. Stir it. Stir, stir, stir.
Okay. I'll right back.
You'll be right back. Where are you going? You can't leave your bread unattended.
No, that's not them. That's what I want to swim.
You like to swim?
I love it swim.
You love to swim. That's good. Do you also like to cook bread? Did you tell me upstairs that you were going to make a cake?
Can I make a cake?
Yeah, we're going to make lots of little cakes. Zucchini cakes. Can you say zucchini cakes?
Please.
Yeah, can you say zucchini cake?
There's Wi-Fi.
Can you say zucchini cake?
Yuki.
Can you say zucchini cake?
Look. He drops.
It drops. Okay. Say I love to cook.
I like the food.
Okay, say goodbye.
Goodbye.